In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint to your Wix site. There are two simple ways to do this, depending on how you want visitors to interact with your presentation. If you want people to view the slides directly on your website and click through them without leaving the page, you will use an embed. If you'd rather just let visitors open or download the PowerPoint file, the easiest option is to add a downloadable document button in Wix. Let's start with embedding the presentation for direct viewing. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint for the web. This is important because the embed option is available there. Once your file is open, go to the File tab, then choose Share, and click Embed this presentation. A dialog box will appear where you can choose the size of the presentation player. Pick the dimensions that fit your site layout best. After that, copy the embed code, then close the dialog. Now switch over to your Wix editor. On the left side, click the plus add icon, then choose Embed HTML. Drag that element onto your page canvas and place it where you want the presentation to appear. Paste your embed code into the HTML box and click Update. At that point, your PowerPoint should display right inside your Wix page, allowing visitors to view and click through the slides directly from your site. This option is great if you want the presentation to feel like part of the page instead of a separate download. If your goal is simply to let visitors access the PowerPoint file, then using a downloadable button is the easiest method. Open your page in the Wix editor, then click Add Elements on the left menu. Go to Button and choose a document button. Add it to your page, then click the button on your canvas and select Change File or Link, depending on what you see in your editor. Next, choose Document. Upload your PowerPoint file to the Wix Media Manager and click Add to Page. Once that's done, your button will be connected to the presentation file. This is a clean and simple option, especially if you don't need the slides displayed directly on the page. Choose the method that best matches your website's purpose, embedding for on-page viewing or a document button for quick file access. Thanks for watching.